Okay, guys, I got another Dave Matthews song for you today. Um, it's Warehouse. It's in the key of E, and I'm going to show you two different ways to play it because I play it a little bit differently than Dave does. My fingers aren't the longest; they're actually short. But I'm going to show you a different way that he plays it. Okay, so let's see. We start on the 7th fret on the E string. Then on the A string, you're on the 9th, and then on the 11th fret on the D string. So it's the same thing as Satellite, except it starts on the B instead of the A. And Dave, when he plays it, he goes. But my fingers, like I said, are a little shorter, so I slide here instead of going back to this. So now in the intro, he does go back to the A, slides everything down one whole step, and the intro is same thing. You play it here and then go down here like. Alright, so that's the intro and the verse. Then the pre-chorus, which he goes to, so he'll go to, let's see. So he goes to an A here, except he plays it up here, let's see, on the D string. Put your pinky there on the D string on the 7th fret. Because you're going to have to stretch here in a second. So, pinky on the D, on the 7th fret, and on the 5th fret, E, you want to put your index finger. So it's going to go A, D, G, back to A. So the pre-chorus goes like this. So be sure to leave all the lights on when the black cat changing colors, when it's not the colors that matter. Okay, and then we all fade away, goes back to the intro again. Okay, so he goes back to the intro again, then back to the pre-chorus, which is the A, D, G, A. And then for the chorus, he goes to B. He plays it, but he plays it up here. He doesn't play it down here. He plays B, E, G, and back to E. So it's or F sharp, sorry. So it's. And then goes fade away. He goes back down to a G here. It's 3rd fret E string. You skip a string, and then on the D you go put your finger on the 5th fret. So it's let's see. Fade away, fade up to E, A again, and then So then the last thing is the ending chord. So he does this. He does the intro / verse riff. He goes to A, G, F sharp, F. He just walks that down. And then he plays this chord. I don't even know what it is. It's it's an E7 here, but then you add on the 4th fret of the D string. So I don't even know what that makes it. Maybe a B of some sort, but it's it goes 0, 2, 4, 1, 0, 0. So I don't know exactly what chord that is. Like I said, that's an E7, but then you actually, instead of an E on the 3rd, which is, what is that? An E chord, you add that F sharp to it. So I don't know what chord that is. Maybe somebody that's more music theory wise can tell me, but so that's Warehouse.